The N95 masks are highly effective at reducing pathogens. Cloth masks are less effective but are better than nothing. Here's the problem. It looks like you're wearing a diaper on your face. Many populists hated masks, seeing them as a form of government overreach, while others saw it as a cheap, reliable way of reducing the spread of pathogens. The latter referred to the former as mask holes. This was followed by controversies around lockdowns and later vaccines. The most noticeable example of this was the trucker convoy in Ottawa protesting vaccine mandates. Behind this battle of the masked versus unmasked was a battle between individual autonomy versus collective well-being, trust in institutions versus skepticism of institutions, all exemplified by a stupid mask meme. But not even the pandemic would stop another mimetic force. BLM had first rose to prominence in 2014 in Ferguson, Missouri, but had died down in 2016. However, it rose to the forefront with a vengeance in 2020 with the murder of George Floyd. This led to the largest mass protest in US history so far, with other protests taking place across the world, oftentimes with the support of corporations and much of the mainstream media.
You are seeing now these images came and come in stark contrast to what we saw over the course of the daytime hours in Kenosha and into the early evening, which were largely peaceful demonstrations in the face of law enforcement. It wasn't until night fell that things began to get a little bit more contentious.